Hi, I'm Jasmine, and I was sent this easel for kids to check out for you. And my kiddos are so excited about this, so today we're gonna check this out together. Here's how it comes. It has a pack of dry erase markers, the little bolts you're gonna need, and all the pieces. Of course, the instructions, and then your numbers and letters. Let's put this together. And here it is all put together. It is so cute. It has this cute little tray for the letters or your markers or whatever you need here. Then it has capital letters, lowercase letters, and all of these numbers that magnet super easily to the whiteboard. Then it even comes with these color magnets so your kiddos can work on their colors. Then when you flip it around, it has a chalkboard on this side, 2 little cups, and even a little place to put this eraser. This is my favorite thing. It has a little chalk holder so that you don't get the chalk all over your hands, and then you don't have to worry about it breaking when you draw with it. The only thing I think is a little weird is you have to flip this around. The chalk holder goes on this side, which seems funny because this isn't the chalkboard, but that's okay. You can just walk around and grab it. My daughter has been so excited to play with this since we got it. She got straight out of bed this morning, didn't even change out of her jammies yet to draw and color on this. She's like 3.5 feet tall to give you a size reference. The great thing about this is it comes with 2 settings. So right now I have it in the tall setting, but you can also switch these leg pieces to these shorter legs so they can sit on the ground or just for smaller babies, making this the perfect toy to grow with them and give them something to draw on besides my walls.